Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success and luck effortlessly while others struggle endlessly? It's not chance, it's a hidden art, a forgotten science, the alchemy of fortune. In this journey, you'll discover how to harness the unseen forces shaping your reality, turning vision into opportunity and belief into destiny. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to unlock the secrets of luck, align with the universe's flow, and transform your life into a masterpiece of synchronicity and success. The universe often whispers in the language of possibility, urging each soul to dream boldly. Crafting a vision, however, is not just setting goals, it's about weaving the threads of fortune alchemy into the tapestry of your destiny. This practice transforms mundane aspirations into radiant intentions, aligning them with the cosmic flow. Every thought you invest in this process acts like a seed planted in the fertile soil of opportunity. As you dream, you simultaneously sculpt the very essence of your future, setting the stage for synchronicities to dance into your life. Within this alchemy lies the art of vision crafting, a dynamic act of seeing beyond the visible, perceiving not just what is but what could be. Imagine a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble. The masterpiece is not created by adding but by revealing. Similarly, your vision strips away doubts and distractions, leaving the essence of your dream to emerge, vivid and alive. This process invites luck and opportunity to align with your destiny, as if the universe itself conspires to illuminate your path. This sacred journey begins with a canvas of imagination, painted not with mere hopes but with continual declarations of belief. Write down your desires in present tense as though they are already yours. Visualize the moments of triumph and feel their resonance within. Each word, each image, strengthens the gravitational pull between you and the reality you seek to manifest. But what happens when the dream expands, demanding new clarity and deeper commitment? When dreams take root, they demand structure, a way to bridge the cosmic with the tangible. Rationalization is the compass guiding this journey, turning abstract aspirations into actionable steps. It's like deciphering the map etched into your soul, connecting your intuitive insights with the material world. By embracing this practice, you invite the energy of luck and opportunity to collaborate with strategy, creating pathways that lead to success. Imagine standing before an uncharted forest, your vision the distant clearing filled with light. Rationalization equips you with tools, intuition aligned with logic, a torch to illuminate the obscured path. Each step forward becomes an act of faith and precision, balancing the ethereal dream weaving with grounded action. This delicate dance allows you to bring the invisible into view, revealing a way forward amidst the seeming chaos of possibilities. As you begin breaking down your vision, ask yourself, what is one action I can take today that aligns with my desired reality? With every question, you refine your focus, ensuring your energy flows where it matters most. But what if the key to greater manifestation lies not only in your efforts but in surrendering to the unexpected? Have you ever felt lost, disconnected from who you truly are? I created 3 transformative ebooks to help you reconnect with your true essence. Click the link in the pinned comment and start your transformation now. There's a timeless art to weaving dreams, a sacred process where belief becomes the thread, and action the loom. It is through this dance of creation that your desires begin to take form, intertwining with the vibrations of the universe. Dream weaving isn't just about visualizing outcomes, it's about feeling them, embodying them as though they are already part of your story. This energetic alignment turns fortune alchemy into a living, breathing force within your life. Picture a spider spinning its web, intricate yet purposeful. Each thread serves a function, creating a structure capable of capturing both sustenance and possibility. So too must your dreams be woven with care, balance between intention and trust in the cosmic flow. Each act of weaving, whether a step toward a goal or a moment of silent reflection, brings you closer to manifesting the life you envision. As you weave, remain aware of the synchronicities that appear like shimmering threads of gold. They are not mere coincidences but signs that the universe is co-creating with you, guiding your journey with subtle nudges. Yet, to fully embrace this process, there's one essential shift that must take place, the trust in a wisdom beyond your control. Your intuition is the quiet compass pointing toward the life your soul craves. Aligning with it is not about seeking answers externally but listening inward, where the whispers of the universe reside. Intuition alignment bridges the gap between the rational mind and the subconscious, allowing you to move fluidly with the cosmic flow. It's here where vision crafting meets the delicate art of trust, as belief blossoms into action. Consider the feeling of standing at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take. Your intuition, that subtle nudge or persistent thought, gently guides you to the route in harmony with your destiny. But it requires faith, a willingness to act even when logic falters. It's in these moments that you weave the unseen into the known, trusting that the universe mirrors your inner clarity with external opportunities. Begin by quieting the noise of the world, practice deep breathing, meditate, or spend time immersed in nature. These moments of stillness are fertile grounds where your intuition speaks the loudest. When you sense its call, act without hesitation. But how does this alignment strengthen the next critical step in the manifestation process, ensuring your vision's continual energy and focus? Words carry power, the vibrations they release ripple through the cosmos, shaping the very fabric of reality. Continuous declarations are the affirmations that anchor your dreams into existence. By consistently voicing your intentions, you strengthen the gravitational pull of your desires, aligning your thoughts and actions with the life you are manifesting. This practice transforms fleeting wishes into declarations of purpose. Imagine planting a seed and watering it every day with belief and love. Each declaration is like sunlight and rain, nourishing the roots of your vision and encouraging it to grow. Speak as though the reality you seek is already yours, allowing your words to align with the truth of your heart. Whether whispered in quiet moments or boldly proclaimed, these continual affirmations tune your energy to the frequency of success and manifestation. Create a ritual. Every morning, declare 3 intentions as if they have already come to pass. Let each word resonate, infused with gratitude and certainty. And as you affirm your dreams, you may notice subtle shifts in your surroundings, synchronicities aligning to guide you. Could these moments be the universe's way of showing you the next steps in your spiritual journey? The universe is a vast tapestry, and synchronicities are the golden threads that connect your inner world with the external one. These seemingly coincidental events are much more than random occurrences, they are cosmic signals, guiding you toward your destiny. Embracing synchronicities means opening your heart to the universe's language, allowing fortune alchemy to shape your reality with effortless precision. Imagine meeting a stranger who offers the exact advice you needed or finding a book that answers the question lingering in your mind. These are not accidents but opportunities, gentle nudges from the universe reminding you that you are aligned with its flow. Synchronicities appear when your dreams, intentions, and actions harmonize with the energies of luck and opportunity. To embrace these signs, maintain a state of openness and curiosity. Begin a journal to record these moments, reflecting on their significance and how they align with your vision. By acknowledging these connections, you deepen your bond with the universe and amplify the frequency of their occurrence. But what happens when these cosmic clues challenge you to let go of control and trust the unknown? Detachment is not about abandoning your desires but about trusting the universe to orchestrate the best path for them to manifest. It's an act of surrender, allowing the cosmic flow to shape your journey without interference. When you detach, you liberate yourself from the weight of expectations, creating space for greater possibilities to unfold. Imagine holding a butterfly gently in your hand. If you clutch it too tightly, you risk damaging its delicate wings, but if you open your palm, it can soar freely, possibly returning to you in unexpected ways. In the same way, detachment allows your dreams to take flight, unburdened by the constraints of how and when they should appear. This practice transforms longing into trust and control into faith. To cultivate detachment, focus on the present moment and celebrate the steps you've taken rather than obsessing over the outcome. Practices like meditation, gratitude, and self-reflection help anchor your energy in the now, reminding you that your role is to plant the seeds while the universe determines the harvest. In this balance of effort and trust, you find the serenity and empowerment to navigate life's unfolding with grace. You now hold the keys to transforming your reality, detachment, synchronicity, and trust in the universe's flow. But the real magic happens when you act. So, take a moment to reflect. What step will you take today toward living in alignment with your vision? Share your experiences in the comments. Your journey could inspire someone else. And if you're ready for more profound insights into manifesting your best life, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Your transformation begins now. Are you ready to embrace it? What if the secret to attracting everything you desire lies in how you talk to yourself? In our next video, we'll explore the profound teachings of Emmett Fox and uncover how your words and thoughts shape your destiny. Ready to transform your inner dialogue into a magnet for success? Let's dive in.